अभी तो आप ही की चल रही है. You know, you're on this high. You know, there was Barsat, and then there were a lot of successful films that you did. Gupt, which of course has got a second lease of life with all the music, etc. that's come up now. And then there was a phase when things didn't quite
they
work
didn't
out.
work, yeah.
The dream kind of soured. And you are the handsome new kid on the block, you know, slightly westernized Italian looking, and you know, this very upper class sober kind of boy in films. Everything was going very well. What happened?
I mean, if I look back and analyze, I think whenever people ask me this question, times were changing, they were evolving when I joined the industry. There was no system of PR or any of that. You know, it was very simple, very basic. You become an actor, people want you, they'll take you in. If they find you, if your film does well, then they'll take you for more films. But then when I joined, the PR culture came into play. You know, then there was this whole thing where how people would try to poach the market and get work. You know, and usually that time people used to come and meet you and give you the work. But then it became that there were more people getting into the industry, so everybody wanted work. So they would obviously, you know, go to offices and, you know, get to know, and maybe they did
and
screen
Bobby Deol
tests.
didn't do that because he was
Because no one asked me, and I was not used to it. I was not used to that. I was never understood that, you know, because I was.
But was it also because you're Dharmendra's son and your Sunny Deol's younger brother?
I never thought
work should come to you. Why should I?
No. I never thought about myself that I'm so and so that I should get work coming to me. It was just the way things worked at that point. I never thought like that. If I knew that it doesn't make a difference whose son you are, I would have gone and thought like that. Then it would have already automatically I would have gone out. But people would come because obviously I was successful. You know, I had like 5-6 big hits. So I thought people would keep coming. You know, एक फिल्म बुरी हो गई, but दो बाद में चल गई. ऐसे ही हुआ था मेरे starting career में. You know, I had बरसात, then I had गुप्त. करीब आई थी, करीब चली नहीं थी.
Yeah.
अब सब करीब को देखकर बोलते कितनी प्यारी फिल्म है. You know, things like that happened. And then again I had Soldier, things like that. So my work was going fine, but suddenly everything started changing, and I didn't move with time, I think.
You didn't move.
And then I started blaming everything on others. That I'm good, why aren't they taking me? I kind of started thinking like that, you know, and that's...
Belligerence.
Yeah, that why are they not coming? I mean, why? And then I started not understanding how to approach people. I didn't know how to approach people. I didn't know how to go to someone. You know, I didn't understand that there was a way of doing that. Till later on, when I gave up and then when I suddenly woke up and I realized that's how the system is. By then I had lost 5-6 years of not working much. I mean, there were films being offered, but they were not films that I wanted to be on set and doing something which was just because I was
Karna hai kuch
to kuch. I mean, I definitely have done a few films like that also, because obviously ghar chalana hota hai. You have to do work. So I have done sometimes those kind of films. But then I started, when something snapped in me, I just started working on myself. I started telling myself that first 10 years, 12 years, people gave me that much of importance and love, and they liked my work. So there has to be something good about me, which maybe I still haven't understood, you know. And so I started training, I started getting up early, I started working out, eating right, and I started preparing myself, because if anyone comes knocking on the door, I have to be ready. I can't just be...
Yeah, then start thinking about preparing for it.
So that's what I started doing. And it started with, I think what really made me learn a lot was doing a film with Shreyas Talpade. I did a film called Poster Boys. It didn't do well, but it was, I think, learning experience for me. I remember I used to...
Learning in what way?
How does an actor his process of, you know, how Shreyas as an actor, I saw him the way he was, because he was an actor and a director, and he's an amazing actor, and he was directing for the first time. So I kind of started watching it and putting attention to how things work.
Okay.
You know,
what
And-
you had taken for granted. You started noticing those
So
deals.
that you have to work on your craft all the time. You can't just, जैसे बैट्समैन अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा नेट्स में तो पहली बॉल पे आउट हो जाएगा ना. बॉलर बॉलिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा तो उसके बॉल सब छक्के लगेंगे. So you have to be prepared. I think that's what I keep telling all the people who want to get into the industry. Don't ever give up. Be ready to take on the opportunity, because when it comes, and if you don't work right, then people will not give you another second chance.